Sasha here. I know it has been quite some time since I've done a video, but I have a very good excuse. I got sick and I'm pretty sure I had a false negative COVID test. So I'm pretty positive I had COVID. I was pretty sick for almost 2 weeks, but I'm going to talk about that in a whole other video about what it's like about having, I'm pretty positive, I'll explain why I know, about having COVID and being pregnant. It was really scary, and yeah, I'm still actually just getting over it, and I'm just really out of breath because I am 32 weeks now. Oh my gosh, this time is like flying by. But I'm 32 weeks now. She's super big, and I'll do another video, another update too, and I have so many videos to do. I just trying to get over the cough still, and it's hard to talk a lot, and I'm trying to catch my breath. So just bear with me. But anyways, I'm glad to be back. It's Christmas time, guys. We all need this cheer right now. I don't know about you, but I started decorating my house, I think mid-November. I love Thanksgiving, I do, and I never usually pass it up, but this year my heart needed some cheer. So I had some decorations up. My tree was up pretty much, I think the day after Thanksgiving, we got the tree up. I made Walter put up the Christmas lights. Like, my heart needed some joy, especially after getting sick and all of that mess. But today I'm excited because I love getting the Target 12 Days of Beauty Advent box, and I love getting this box. It's really a good deal. For some reason, I want to say I got it for $10. Maybe it was on sale. But I love getting these boxes because they always have really good, cute goodies inside. So I ordered it online, of course. I don't really go to the stores anymore, so I do mainly all of my shopping online. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Also, on the cover, it says valued over $49. So that's always exciting when you get a good deal and you get lots of different kinds of beauties. So I'm just going to go each day by day, and like I said, there's 12 slots. So I'm thinking like 12 days of Christmas. I know other advent calendars have to like 25, but I usually get this every year because every year I love these things. So on the first day, oh yeah, what I recommend too, these things are always so hard to get out. So if you have like a bobby pin or a pin nearby, keep it near you. It's always easy to like just pop out what's in there because it gets stuck in the plastic. So on day one, it's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I love this mascara. This is definitely one of my go-to mascaras, and like you guys know, I don't wear false lashes. So I was blessed by my mother, and I have natural long lashes. This is one of my secret go-tos to really accentuate my lashes. Love their Lash Sensational Mascara. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely recommend. I usually get the very black, or like whatever the blackest black is, because I like my lashes very dark. And moving on to number 2, it is the Cetaphil, or Cetaphil, however you want to pronounce it, Extra Gentle Daily Scrub, and it gently exfoliates with microfine particles to reveal radiant looking skin. So it's a cute little kind of like sample size. I want to say most of these are gonna be sample size. Number 3, get my handy dandy bobby pin, the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. This was also in last year's Target beauty box as well. I honestly just started using it because I don't wear makeup anymore. There's no point. I don't go anywhere besides like to the market very rarely when I'm going crazy and I need to get out of the house, or mainly it's my doctor's appointments. So I honestly don't wear makeup, or now that I'm doing videos again, This is literally the first time that I had a full face of makeup in quite some time. So I've been trying to get better at my skincare regimen and try new products. This is a number 4. And this is, I don't know how to pronounce this, Lumenevalo Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And it sounds quite fancy. So I'm gonna have to, a lot of stuff like this and the Glow Tonic, I feel really dumb, but I had to Google how to use it because I don't use a lot of stuff like this. So I never knew, first of all, I was like, what the heck is a Glow Tonic? And second of all, how the hell do I use this thing? So I had to Google it. So if you have to Google it like me, don't feel bad, girls. Google it and figure out how to use the darn thing. Number 5. Ooh, who doesn't love getting beauty blenders? So this is by Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Miracle Complexion Sponge for foundation and BB cream. Ooh, I love having beauty blenders, and I'm not gonna lie, I probably have like 5, and they're all clean. But I usually lose them or my son takes them because I find them in his little playpen area. I don't know what he does with them, but he takes a lot of my stuff. Number 6. Ooh, this is cool. This is Fragrance Mist Touch Activated Scent Tame Static, which this hair really needs because the longer my hair gets, the more staticky it gets. And I did just recently cut it, which is crazy. Thank you, pregnancy. It says waterless, rose and peach, alcohol-free and paraben-free. That's always nice. So I guess it's just, it says fragrance mist, but is that, why am I thinking for your hair? Oh, it is. So shake well, spray all over hair. So this is for your hair. A fragrance mist for your hair. That's cool. I never really used anything like that before. Let's go to number 7. I'm like ripping the crap out of this box. This is, oh my god, why do these people have names I can't pronounce? Ava NYC Main Magic. Ooh, a 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed. 10 benefits, 1 miracle formula. Who doesn't love 1 miracle formulas? But anyway, this is what it looks like. I've never heard of a primer. I don't know if you guys have, but I've never heard of that either. Moving on to number 8. This one is Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. Ooh, I could definitely use that right now because I'm not getting any sleep. This is cute and it has directions. Every girl loves directions. At least I love directions. So this is what it looks like. And it's by Bliss. And it's a marshmallow. I wonder if it's like, I'm thinking of an actual marshmallow, like melted, if it's like sticky and like you just rub it all over your face and then like maybe eat it after. Just don't eat it after. Number 9. Oh, how cute. This is so little. This is a, oh my god, I swear I hate these things. La Roche-Posay. What's that called? Don't come for me, guys. What is it called? Hyloric acid or something? Well, this says that Hyloric Serum B5 for anti-aging. I need that. This girl's getting older. Yeah, pure hyaluronic acid. Wow. I don't know if this is safe. Any of this is actually safe to use while I'm pregnant, but I'll Google it all before I use it. But a girl loves anti-aging cream because, you know, we're all getting older, even though I did not count this quarantine birthday. And moving on to number 10. This is Shea Butter Hand Cream Shea Butter Hand Cream Pink Citrus, and those little EOS bombs, like the little egg things. Well, apparently they make a hand cream, which I didn't know they did. Well, I know they had those like little oval ones with the hand creams, but I didn't know they made this. So this will definitely be in my bag, diaper bag, purse bag, whatever bag. Moving on to number 11. Ooh, I like getting big bottles of things. This is by Collab Dry Shampoo Original Fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. Who does not love that? Especially with black hair. There's some dry shampoos that I just cannot use because I'll spray it and then I'll brush it and shake it and do all the things you're supposed to do, and it looks like it snowed on my head, and I'm like, what is this mess? I think the best dry shampoo I've ever used for dark hair is Batiste. And it leaves my hair smelling good for like a few days after only like one use, and I don't get like any flakes or any dryness. Like, I love Batiste, that's my favorite one. But I'm excited to try this. It says I got a 10 out of 10. The last one, number 12. Ooh, one heck of a blot. Instant Perfecting Power Primer. Perfecting Instant Base Plus. Ooh, who's this by? Ooh, Soap and Glory. I love getting Soap and Glory's like little gift boxes because I don't normally buy their regular stuff, only when like the holidays come and you get good deals. Every girl loves a good primer, so that's that one. So that was the 12 Days of Beauty from Target box. I want to say it's worth it. I buy these every year, and I just love getting these because, first of all, I like getting sample stuff first before I use it, because obviously sometimes you don't like the product and you don't want to spend like for a full size and then have it, you know, be thrown away, or spend the money on the full size if you don't even like the product. So I love getting these little products, so that way if I like it I can always just buy the bigger box. And I love that it's a mixture of cream and makeup and hair stuff. Like, I just like getting a variety of it. But anyways, there will be more videos to come, just kind of bear with me. I just gotta figure out a schedule. Just kind of catch my breath because, man, guys, I'm huge and I'm tiny, so if that makes sense. Like, I'm a petite person with a huge belly, so like I said, I'll be doing my video, my 3rd trimester update soon. I'll talk about all about me getting the COVID and how horrible that was and what advice I could give to other pregnant ladies. I hope you guys don't get it though, because it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but because I'm young. But I think the baby really helped me get through it. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked that beauty box unboxing. Have a lot more videos to do, so I'll get on it, I promise. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, so that way you know when I'm posting videos and all that fun stuff. And yeah, thanks for sticking with me, thanks for tuning in, and yeah, I promise there will be more videos to come. So I love you guys. Thank you very much. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy in this horrible quarantine time, and I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays still, and until next time.